Today, one client from Nepal contacted us for taking online counseling. Firstly, I will welcome you on our YouTube channel, and from my side, Naman Namaskaram.
Hello, sir. Namaste.
Can you tell me from which country you are
I'm from Nepal.
and from where you took the reference of our company?
Sorry, sir. Can you please
I
take
am
it
saying
again?
from where you took the reference of our company.
Recently, I saw your video on YouTube channel,
Okay.
and I come to know that Finland is the best country to study,
Okay.
and I want to study in Finland from your consultancy.
Okay. Okay. And can you tell me from the last how many days you are watching our videos?
Since 1 month.
Since 1 month. But our all the videos are in Hindi, not in Nepali language, not in English.
Yes.
Then how you can understand?
I can understand Hindi language because in our Nepal we also watch television in Hindi, a serial like serial.
Okay. Okay.
And Hindi movie I can understand, but I cannot reply.
Okay. Whether we can discuss in Hindi also in this online meeting?
Yes, you can say in Hindi also.
Hindi also. You will also give the reply in Hindi also? Little bit?
A little bit.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Okay. So firstly, it means you are looking for higher study in Finland.
Yes, sir.
But there is a number of consultants in Nepal. Those are promoting many countries. Why not you contacted them?
I'm in dilemma whether I choose this is sorry, whether I will choose this in Nepal consultancy because there are many consultancy who give the क्या कहते हैं उसे this will be done, your visa will come, but not actually this is because they always
they are the
I cannot explain.
Okay. It means they are the fake consultant, only making the promises but not giving the service. Okay. Anyhow, so firstly I will take your profile. Thereafter I will tell ki how much chances are there for your admission and visa. Tell me your age.
My age is 21.
21. And your educations?
I have passed +2 from in 2020.
Okay. And can you tell
And
me
there is a gap.
about your grade, about your CGPA?
2.76 CGPA.
2.76 CGPA out of 4 or 5?
Out of 4.
Out of 4. And can you tell me about the subjects in 12th? It is a business 12th or which stream you completed the 12th?
I completed in 2020 of faculty science.
Okay, science. Physics, chemistry, math.
In 12 I choose biology.
Okay. Whether the math is there or not? Mathematics.
Yes, I choose physics as well as math in 11.
Okay.
And I'm a married woman, but I didn't make the marriage certificate, so there is so much difficulties because my husband is in Quebec city, and I make the passport without being a married woman, single.
Then it will be the difficulty for a company with your spouse and kids. We need the marriage certificate as well as if there is any provision to endorse the spouse name on your passport. Okay. And anyhow, whether in your kids, about your kids, they have the names of parents in their passport, in his passport?
In my spouse passport?
No, of your kid.
No, I don't want to take him. I don't want to apply my...
No, you want to go alone only?
No, I want to go with my spouse, not a kid.
Okay, okay. But without marriage certificate, without these things, you could not accompany with the spouse.
Mm. My
We need-
husband is in Kuwait, so I could not make the marriage certificate. There is very
You will tell
difficult.
him, you will tell him he will come to Nepal for a few holidays, thereafter make the certificate, then apply it. As well as whether you have the IELTS or PT,
I'm studying PT.
how much you have,
I think it is 4 weeks.
how much?
I'm 4 weeks.
No. I'm telling what is the score of PT.
No, I didn't give the PT exam.
Okay, okay.
I'm thinking of giving the PT exam.
Okay, please do the PT, either do the PT or IELTS. If you will do the PT, then you need to take the minimum score 56.
56.
If
Not
you
less
will-
than.
Not less than from any module 47 or 48 something. Okay, and
Which course
about
will suit me, sir? Which course will be available for
which
Finland study for me?
I could not understand.
BBA or
No, you can do the BBA, you can do the nursing, many programs are there. There is no any problem. Even if you will do the IELTS, then IELTS should be a 6 overall, not less than 5.5 in any module.
okay.
If you have these documents, then send me on my WhatsApp. Thereafter, we can start your process.
First, I have to do PT exam.
Yes. Without PT or without IELTS, you can't go there.
Okay. And what
Anything
about
else?
nursing, sir?
Pardon?
And what about nursing? Can I do nursing course in Finland?
Yes, of course. In nursing, you need to give the entrance exam, and in entrance exam, you can only sit in an entrance exam if you have the either PT or IELTS or TOEFL.
Okay.
Okay. Anyhow, when you have all these documents, send on my WhatsApp. Thereafter, we can start the process. About the tuition fees, about our consultancy charges, whatsoever, our person will send to you in a few minutes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anything else, or we will close this meeting?
Yes, sir. I will make the certificate, marriage certificate, and all the documents, and I will submit.
Okay, thank you. Thanks. Dhanyavad. Then we will close this meeting. Thank you.